So students, let us see number 13. Okay, let us see number 13 is a very this type of sums will be you can expect that means this sort of sum in your annual exam also. It has come, this type of sum has come previously also. So let us discuss. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So the 80 is, and the 80 will be, the 80 is the sum of the, you have to find out the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Okay, so the first term is 8, second term will be 16, third term will be 24 like this. Up to 15 terms. Okay, so now see here, first term a is equal to 1. 8. Common difference, students. Common difference. B is equal to 16 minus 8. That is 8. Isn't it? So, a number of terms. N is equal to 15. Isn't it? So, number of terms n is equal to 15. So, we need to find out the sum of the 15 terms, isn't it? So, we have Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, isn't it? We need to find out the sum of the first 15 terms. So, see, this is 15 by 2 into a. A is what? 8 plus n is 15, isn't it? So 15 minus 1 into d. What is the value of d, students? 8. Common difference is what? 8. So see here, this will be 15 by 2. 8 to the 16, isn't it? 8 to the 16, and this will be 14 into 8. So this will be 15 by 2. Just calculation, okay? Just calculation. 16 and 14 into 8. 14 into 8 will be how much? 14 into 8 will be 8 for the 32, 3. 8 for the, see here, 8 for the 32. 8 for the 32, 3 for the 11. So 1, 1, 2. So this will be 15 by 2 into 128, 64. So this will be 64 into 50, 5 for the 20, 5 for the 20, 5, 6, 32, 1 for the 4, 6, 6, 0, 6, 9. So this is 960. So students, let us see this sum. So let us see this sum number 13. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So multiples of 8, let us point out one by one. So the first multiple of 8 is, you need to find out the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Okay. So first multiple of 8 is 8. Second one is 16. Third one is 24. Up to 15 terms. Okay. So the first term is what? First term A is what? 8. First term A is what? 8. First term, see here, first term A is what? 8. And the common difference will be, students, common difference will be second term minus the first term. So what is the second term? Second term is 16 and the first term is 8. So 16 minus 8 will become 8, isn't it? So common difference is 16 minus 8, that is 8. And number of terms, up to how many terms? Sum will find out 15 terms. So number of terms is how much? 15, isn't it? So we have Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We need to find out the sum of these 15 terms. Okay. So in place of n is just to 15. In place of this n is 0. In place of this n is just to 15. So 15 by 2. 2 into a. A means what? 8. A means what? 8. So 2 into 8 to write. And n means again 15. So 15 minus 1 into, and common difference what is there? Second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. So what is With 2 I am cancelling 128, 64 times, isn't it? So 64 into 50 is how much? 960. So the sum of 15 terms, that means sum of the 15 multiples of 8 will be how much? 960. Is it okay? So students, let us see number 17. Another very interesting sum. Number 17. Okay. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. Okay. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. That means the students of our school or any other school thought that we will plant trees like in our school also. In our school also every year students plant trees, isn't it? So in that way in every school it is taken. Suppose any one school is there where the students thought that we will plant trees for reducing the air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. That is, example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. So how many trees will be planted by the students? Each class has 3 sections. Now it was decided that if it is class 1, then each section will plant 1 tree. If it is class 2, then each section will plant 2 trees. If it is class 3, then each section will plant 3 trees. Okay. So class 1 will plant how many trees? Class 1 will plant how many trees, students? Each section will plant class 1. So 1 tree. Each section will plant. Okay. So how many sections are there? 3. So 3 into 1 will be 3. Class 2, friends. Class 2, how many sections are there? 3. How many sections are there? 3. And each section will plant how many trees? Each section will plant 2 trees. So 6. Total how many trees will be planted? 6. Class 3 will plant how many trees, students? Class 3 also 3 sections are there. Each section will plant 3 trees. So 3 trees are 9, like that. Okay, understood? So like this the series of numbers will be formed like this. And how many till class 12? Okay, from class 1 to class 12 sections are there. Okay, so did you understand? In class 1 3 sections are there. And each section will plant only 1 tree because each section of class 1 is allowed to plant only 1 tree. Each section of class 2 is allowed to plant 2 trees. Each section of class 1 is allowed to plant 1 tree. Each section of class 2 is allowed to plant 2 trees. Each section of class 1 is allowed to plant only 1 tree. Each section of class 2 is allowed to plant only 2 trees. Each section of class 3 will be allowed to plant only 3 trees. Like that. Okay. So students, the AP will be three into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, up to 12 terms. Okay. So that is equal to 3, 6, 9 up to 12 terms. So now we need to find out how many trees will be planted by the students. In total as a whole, how many trees will be planted? So here first term A is what? First term A is 3. Okay. First term A is 3. Students, common difference. D is equal to 6 minus 3. That is 3. Number of terms n is equal to 12. So we have Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So what is find out how many trees will be planted. That means in total how many trees will be planted. Okay, so let us find out that. So S 12 is equal to 12 by 2 into A. A means what? 3 plus A means 3 plus 12 minus 1 into D. What is the value of D, students? What is the value of D? 3. So with 2 I am cancelling 6 times. So it will be 6 plus 11 into 3. So this will be 6 into 6 plus 33. So 6 into 39 is equal to 39 into 6. 39 into 6, 6 into 4, 6, 6 by the 6 by the 4, 5, 6, 18, 23, 230. So students, let us see the sum. How did I form the AP? How did I form the AP? Just see here. Okay. So class 1. I am considering this is for class 1. Okay. For class 1, how many trees will be planted? So there are 3 sections. So class 1, one section will plant only 1 tree, isn't it? Class 1, I am talking about class 1. Okay. Class 1, one student. Class 1, one section will plant only 1 tree, isn't it? So in class 1, one section is planting only 1 tree. Then how many sections are there? 3. So 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Class 1 will plant. Class 1's 3 sections together will plant how many trees? 3 trees. So 3 into 1 becomes 3. And in class 2, for class 2 I am talking about class 2. Okay students. For class 2, each section will plant how many trees? Each section will plant 2 trees, isn't it? Each section will plant 2 trees, isn't it? So in for class 2 I am talking about. The rule is that class 1, each section will plant only 1 tree. Class 2, each section will plant 2 trees. Class 3, each section will plant 3 trees. So class 2, I am talking about class 2 now. Class 2, each section will plant how many trees? 2 trees. And how many sections are there? 3. So 3 into 2 is how much? 6. Class 3 I am talking about. Class 3, each section will plant how many trees? 3 trees. Class 3, each section will plant 3 trees. And how many sections are there? 3. So 3 into 3 how much? How many plants will plant? 9. So dot 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 up to how many terms? 12 terms. Up to 12 terms, is it? Now students, so first term A will be what? What is the first term, student? First term A is what? First term A is 3. Common difference will be second term minus first term. So 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. Isn't it? This is the AP, isn't it? This is the AP. For class 1, 3 trees. For class 2, 6 trees. For class 3, 9 trees. Like that up to 12 terms, isn't it? So first term is, students, first term is 3. Isn't it? First term is 3. Common difference will be what? Second term minus first term. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. Isn't it? And number of terms. How many terms are there total? 12. So because why number of terms is 12? Because what is the number of classes from 1 to 12? The school has classes till class 12, isn't it? So number of terms is 12. So we have Sn equals to n by 12 plus n minus 1 into d. So total number of terms is 12. So we will find out S12. We will find out the total number of trees planted by the school. Total from class 1 to class 12, how many trees have been planted? Okay, S12, let us find out. In case of n, we will do 12, so 12 by 2. 2 into A. A means what? A means students 3. Put here 3 plus n minus 1. So 12 minus 1 is how much? 11. 11 into 3 is how much? 33. 33 plus 6 is 39. 39 into 6 is 234. So total 234 plants are planted here. Okay. So see, the students class from classes 1 to 12, total 234 plants have been planted in the surroundings to make the air clean. Okay. So students, let us see one more sum. Let us see number 20. Okay. Let us see number 20 also. So in a potato race, this is a potato race. Okay, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meter from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it and drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket, drop it in it, and she continues in the same way. Okay, so until all the potatoes are collected. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Okay, there are 10 potatoes total. Okay, so this potato is there, a bucket is kept here like this. One bucket is kept here. Okay, so from this bucket 5 meters away, the first potato is 5 meters away. This is 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters. Then next, again, each potato is kept 3 meters apart. Again, one more potato, distance how much? 3 meters. Again, one more potato, distance how much? 3 meters. Again, one more potato, distance is 3 meters. So again, one more potato, distance is 3 meters. Again, one more potato. So how many potatoes total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is all the distance is 3 meters. Okay. Now the student, this is a potato race that is being held in a school. The student will run from here. She will collect the potato and then she will drop it. She will collect the first potato. Try to understand. From here she will run. She will collect the first potato and she will drop in the bucket. And then this way. Okay. This one she will take and drop here. Then again she will drop. She cannot collect all the potatoes at one go. Okay. She cannot collect all the potatoes at one go. Okay. She has to collect one by one. So from here she will run. First one she will collect and put here. Again she will run back. Second one she will collect and put here. Again she will run back. Third one she will collect and put here. Do you understand? So now you need to find out what is the total distance run by the competitor. Okay, what is the total distance run by her? That is what we need to find out. That means sum of all the distances that she has run to collect all these 10 potatoes. Again, next one also. After keeping this potato, again she will come back here. She will collect here this one and then again she will drop it here. Understood? Very, very interesting, isn't it? Okay, let us see then. So let the diagram be left for the time being. Let it be here. Okay. So let us see. So the AP will be directly from the AP. Okay. The AP is students. See. So first term. How will I form the first term? See. From here the student will run here. She will collect the potato and she will come back here. Isn't it? From here she will start the running. Isn't it? From here the first step is from here she will run to here. She will collect the potato and keep it in the bucket. So what is the first term? 5 into 2. Do you understand? Why 5 into 2? Because she went 5 meters. See here. From here she is running. She went 5 meters to collect the potato and again she came back to keep the potato here. So how many times? 5 and again 5. So 5 into 2. Next one will be students. Next term how to form? See. Again from here she will run. She will come here. So how much? 5 plus 3. From here she will run. She will come here and again she will come back. So 5 plus 3 into 2. Isn't it? Again she will come here. From here she will for collecting the third potato she will come up to here, isn't it? So like this. See. 5 plus. See here. From here she will start running. Here she came. She will come up to here, isn't it? For collecting the third potato, from here to here she will come, and then again she will come back. So 3 into 2, like this. Okay. Up to how many times? Up to 10 times. Very interesting sum. Look carefully. Okay. So this is 5 into 2 will become 10. 5 into 2 will become 10 students. And again now here at one go we will calculate. Okay. 5 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 into 2 is what? 16. This one you see. 3 to the how much? At one go. 3 to the how much? 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. 11 into 2 is how much? 22. So this will go on up to 10 times. Okay, because there are 10 potatoes, isn't it? So first term is, students, first term A is equal to R. Then, isn't it? The common difference, let us find out. Let us find out the common difference. Common difference B is equal to what? 16 minus 10 and equal to 6. 16 minus 10, students. Common difference is second term. Common difference is always second term minus the first term. So 16 minus 10 is how much? 6. And number of terms, students? Number of terms n is equal to how much? 10. Isn't it? So therefore, we have Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Isn't it? So we will find out the sum of the. So students, number of terms is 10. A is the value of 10. 10 minus 1 into, what is the value of B? What is the value of B? 6. 5. Okay. So 20. 2 into 10 will become 20. 9 into 6. 5 into 8. 20 plus 54. 5 into 74. So 5 for the 20, 5 for the 20, 0 to 370. Okay. So students, so in a potato there is a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. Bucket is there, about 5 meters away, one potato, first potato is there. Then again second potato is again 3 meters away from here. From the first potato, second potato is 3 meters away. From the second potato, third potato is 3 meters away. Like this, 10 potatoes are there. Okay. So then now the race is like this. The competitor will run from here, will collect the first potato and keep the potato in this bucket. And again he will come back here. From here he is to collect the first potato, keep it in the bucket. Again he has to come here, collect the second potato, keep it in the bucket. Again he has to go, collect the third potato, keep it in the bucket. So what is the total distance that he has run? Okay. What is the total distance that he has run? That is what we need to find out. Okay. So see, first potato, see here for collecting the first potato, he will come from here. This competitor is a girl, isn't it? So from this point, the competitor will come, collect the first potato, keep it here. Again she will run here, collect the second potato, she will keep it here. Again she will run here, collect the third potato, she will keep it here. Again she will run here, collect the fourth potato, again keep it here. Okay, like this. So now you have to find out what is the total distance run by her. So see, from here, for collecting the first potato, how much distance she has to cover? From here she will run here, collect the first potato and come back here. So how much distance? 5 and then again 5. So 5 will go around. Is it okay? For collecting the second potato, students, how much distance she has to run? From here she will come here and then she will come back to here. So how much distance? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 she has to go and 5 plus 3 she has to come back. So 5 plus 3. For collecting the third potato also, she will come from here, she will run here till the third potato. Okay, till the third potato. So how much she has to run in one go? In one go, how much she has to run? So from here to here is 5 and from here to here is 3 into 2, isn't it? See here, here also 3, here also 3, isn't it? So 3 into 2. So I wrote here 5 plus, see here, for collecting the third potato, students, look very carefully. For collecting the third potato, from here she will run, here she will come, here, isn't it? From here to here, how much? 5 plus 3 here and 3 here. From here to here I am talking about. Okay. So see very carefully. I am talking about from here till here. Okay. So from here to here, what is the total distance covered in one row? 5 plus I wrote, and here also 3, here also 3. So I wrote 3 into 2. 2 3 is 0. So 5 plus 3 into 2. 5 plus 3 into 2. This much will go, and this much will come back, isn't it? So 5 plus 3 into 2 into 2. Why? Because she will go and again she will come back. Okay? That perfect. Okay? So like this up to 10 terms. So first term will be 5 into 10. Second term will be 5 plus 3. How much? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 into 2 will be, students. First term will be 5 into 2. How much? First term will be 5 into 2. First term is, friends, 5 into 2, that is 10. Second term will be 5 plus 3. How much? 8. 8 into 2 is how much? 16. Third term will be 3 into 2. How much? 6. 6 plus 5 is how much? 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. 11 into 2, 22. Okay, up to 10 terms. Now first term is a. First term is a is equal to 10. Common difference is students. Second term minus first term. 16 minus 10, that is 6. And number of terms how much? 10. So now Sn equals to n by 2 plus n minus 1 into b. Now in place of n is just put 10. Here n is there, no? Number of terms n is how much? 10. In place of n is just put 10. 10 by 2. 2 into a. 2 into a. What is the value of a, students? What is the value of a? 10. So 2 into 10 you write. Plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 into b. What is the value of b? What is the value of b, students? The value of b is how much? 6. So 10 minus 1 into 6. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 6 comes 54. 2 into 10 is how much? 20. And with 2 you cancel 10 how many times? 5 times. So 20 plus 54 is how much? 74. 74 into 5 is how much? 370 meters. That means for collecting this 10 potatoes, she has to run how much? 370 meters. Okay? So this much only for today, students. We'll carry on with our classes. Okay? So I hope all of you are studying nicely for the upcoming exams. So give your best and don't waste your time. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.